Welcome back to Tech Explorer, your go-to channel for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we are taking a deep dive into Nothing's upcoming mid-range smartphone, the Nothing Phone 3A. Over the years, Nothing has built a strong reputation for its unique transparent design, glyph lighting system, and clean, bloat-free software experience. Now, with the Nothing Phone 3A, the brand is set to deliver a feature-packed smartphone at a more affordable price, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a premium experience without breaking the bank. So, what does the Nothing Phone 3A bring to the table? Let's find out. Starting with the display, the Nothing Phone 3A boasts a 6.8-inch FHD Plus AMOLED panel, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crisp details. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the user experience is ultra-smooth, making scrolling, animations, and gaming feel fluid. The AMOLED panel ensures high contrast and excellent viewing angles, making content consumption an absolute pleasure, whether you're watching movies, browsing social media, or playing high refresh rate games. In terms of design, Nothing has stuck to its signature transparent aesthetic, allowing users to get a glimpse of the internal components. The glyph interface has also been refined, offering customizable LED lighting for notifications, charging indicators, and even ringtone synchronization. Users can personalize the glyph lights for specific app notifications, making the experience more intuitive. Additionally, the Nothing Phone 3A features a sleek aluminum frame with a glass back, giving it a premium feel despite being a mid-range device. The phone is also expected to have IP54 water and dust resistance, meaning it can handle everyday splashes and dust without any issues. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, which is designed for efficient performance and battery optimization. While it's not as powerful as the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it still provides a smooth and lag-free experience for everyday tasks, multitasking, and gaming. The Adreno GPU ensures decent gaming performance, making it a great option for mobile gamers on a budget. In terms of RAM and storage, the Nothing Phone 3A is expected to come in multiple configurations, with options starting from 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage, and going up to 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage. Unfortunately, there's no microSD card slot, but with UFS 3.1 storage technology, app load times and overall system performance should feel snappy. Nothing has been focusing heavily on improving its camera game, and the Nothing Phone 3A is no exception. The phone sports a triple camera setup with the following sensors. 50MP main sensor captures high-resolution photos with excellent dynamic range and sharpness. 50MP telephoto lens, 2x optical zoom, ideal for capturing distant subjects with clarity. 50MP ultra-wide lens allows users to capture expansive landscapes, group shots, and creative perspectives. On the front, the Nothing Phone 3A houses a 32MP selfie camera, perfect for high-quality selfies, video calls, and vlogging. The camera system is also expected to support 4K video recording, AI enhancements, and improved night mode for low-light photography. One of the standout features of the Nothing Phone 3A is its 5000 mAh battery, which ensures all-day battery life. Whether you're browsing, gaming, streaming, or using social media, you won't have to worry about running out of charge too quickly. For charging, the Nothing Phone 3A supports 45W fast wired charging, allowing you to juice up the device quickly. Unfortunately, there's no wireless charging support, but at this price point, that's not a major drawback. On the software side, The Nothing Phone 3A runs on Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15. Nothing OS is known for its bloat-free, near-stock Android experience, with smooth animations and thoughtful optimizations. Users can expect long-term software support, ensuring their device stays updated with the latest security patches and new features. Some key software features include glyph interface enhancements, more customization options, and interactive notifications. AI-powered features, smart suggestions, improved voice recognition, and enhanced camera optimizations. Game mode, optimized gaming experience with performance enhancements and notification management. Privacy and security updates. Nothing has focused on improving security, with better data encryption and enhanced permission controls. The Nothing Phone 3A is 5G ready, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity for streaming, gaming, and browsing. Other connectivity features include Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast internet speeds, Bluetooth 5.3 for better range and stability with wireless accessories, NFC support for contactless payments and quick pairing, under-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. The Nothing Phone 3A is rumored to launch in March 2025, with an expected price tag of around $399 to $449. If these leaks hold true, Nothing will once again dominate the mid-range segment by offering a premium design, great cameras, and a clean software experience at an affordable price. So, is the Nothing Phone 3A worth your money? If you're looking for a smartphone that offers a unique design, solid cameras, smooth performance, and a clean software experience, then yes, it's absolutely worth considering. With its vibrant AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, versatile triple camera setup, and all-day battery life, the Nothing Phone 3A brings flagship-like features at a mid-range price. However, if you're a power user looking for the absolute best performance or flagship-level camera features, you might want to explore higher-end options like the Nothing Phone 3 or other Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered devices. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more detailed smartphone reviews, leaks, and comparisons. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay tech savvy.